Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually insert these PowerPoint slides right here into slides, right? So this Microsoft PowerPoint right here that we have right here, we're going to actually insert it into slides, right? If you notice all of these, I want to put it into Google Slides. I'm going to close it, right? I'm going to bring up, definitely, you notice I already signed in already. So what I wanted to do, definitely go right here to the line. Look at that. I want to scroll up. Right. So what we're looking for right here is slide. So I'm going to click on slide here. And if you notice, you're going to take me right here. So I want to focus on right there, definitely. I want to actually focus on the blank. On the blank. So this is safe with the blank. So I want to click on the blank. Just the same. So when you click on the blank, if you notice, this exactly is what come up right here now is a blank. Right. So definitely, this is safe with the blank. Right up here. So we wanted to do definitely. Want to close out some of these right here and close out that. That's the same. Right. So what we wanted to do definitely, we want to actually export right here, everything right here. So far, so as I said, this is what we wanted to do. This all the slides in it. We're gonna actually put up so far. So in order for me to do it, I want to come right here, file, right here, and notice right here is the import slide. So I want to click on that. Now when I click on import slide, this is what come up the surface right here so that I can upload. You can go to my drive right here and computer and everything. So I want to come right here to upload. Now when I click on upload and notice, it shows that I can actually drag. I can go to browse. So I'm going to click on browse. Now when I click on browse, this is the presentation. So I want to highlight it and then I'm going to click on the word open. Now when I click on open, what will happen? You will see it actually open, so you can actually select the slide that you want. Right, so these are all of the slides that you want. Right, so far, so definitely this is the first one. Notice as soon as I click on it, you notice the import slide right here. All right, I click on this one, on that one, so I want all of them like that. When I finish, you notice all slide, I can actually clear it if I want it. You're going to come right here. I'm going to click on export. You notice, just pay attention to right over here. So if you notice, I can actually come, so I can actually delete this one. So this one automatically become the first one. Notice these are different slides right here in Google Slides. So you don't have to come right up here. This is slideshow. Alright, when I click it, slideshow, notice this is what happened. So this is what we actually export a while ago. Very important. There you can press the escape key to come back out of that. Definitely. So this exactly is how you import PowerPoint presentation right into Google Slide. It's very important right there. So remember to share, like, and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.